Welcome back to the Auto Info Master. Today, we're diving into the bold, the new, and the brilliantly engineered 2026 Chevrolet Motorhomes, the American icon stepping into the future of luxury nomadic living. If you thought Chevrolet was just about trucks and SUVs, think again. What we have here is a mobile home experience that brings classic American engineering and design into the modern era with a punch of style, muscle, and comfort. Imagine hitting the open road in a motorhome that doesn't just carry your lifestyle, it defines it. Chevrolet's 2026 lineup of motorhomes breaks the traditional boundaries. With sculpted contours, aggressive grille structures, and futuristic lighting accents, the exterior design screams presence. The bodywork is wrapped in a seamless composite blend, merging aerodynamics with durability, which makes these motorhomes not only good-looking but road-efficient too. At first glance, you notice the massive panoramic windshield designed to give you an open-sky view while you drive through nature's finest highways. The front fascia is bold, with signature LED DRLs that extend into the corners like an arrow ready to fly. The grille is ventilated yet sculptural, a balance of cooling performance and visual dominance. With flush-mounted retractable steps, automated awnings, and even a solar-paneled roof, Chevrolet ensures every inch of this motorhome contributes to both form and function. The side panels have integrated storage bays with LED-lit interiors and fingerprint unlock access. Large 22-inch alloy wheels give this beast a grounded and robust stance. But it doesn't stop there. Chevrolet offers paint options ranging from Arctic Silver Mist to Sunset Copper Metallic, giving owners full expression of their taste. Step inside, and it feels like entering a first-class cabin in a luxury airliner. The interior of the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome is not just designed, it's crafted. Soft-touch suede, American walnut veneers, ambient lighting, and customizable mood settings bring a new level of intimacy and calm to your mobile living. The main cabin features an open-plan living space with a slide-out lounge area equipped with zero-gravity recliners, a 70-inch OLED 8K smart TV, and a Dolby Atmos surround sound system embedded directly into the ceiling. Right across from the entertainment zone is the dining and kitchen area, seamlessly integrated with Korean countertops, a dual induction stove, a full-size stainless steel fridge, and a smart oven that can be controlled remotely via Chevrolet's MyVan app. The kitchen even includes a built-in espresso machine and automated pantry lifts, perfect for gourmet meals on the go. Walk a little further, and you'll find the spa-inspired bathroom, a marvel of luxury. With heated marble flooring, a rainfall glass shower enclosure, a Japanese smart toilet, and a backlit vanity mirror system with voice-activated presets, this is not your average RV restroom. And at the rear? That's where the magic really happens. The master bedroom features a king-size memory foam bed with a hydraulic lift system for underbed storage, cedar-lined wardrobes with LED accents, and side windows equipped with electrochromic tinting for privacy on demand. The motorhome also includes a hidden fold-out workspace with wireless charging pads, 5G hotspot integration, and a projection setup for presentations, perfect for digital nomads or on-the-go business leaders. Now let's talk power. The 2026 Chevrolet motorhome isn't just a rolling luxury suite, it's a powerhouse on wheels. Powered by a next-generation Duramax hybrid V8 engine combined with dual electric motors, this motorhome delivers a combined 710 horsepower with over 900 lb-ft of torque. It can tow up to 15,000 pounds, meaning if you want to bring a boat or an off-road toy with you, go right ahead. The EAWD system keeps the ride smooth across diverse terrains, whether you're gliding across interstates or crawling through rugged mountain paths. The hybrid system also enhances fuel efficiency, giving you an estimated 800-mile range with a full tank and charged batteries. Regenerative braking, smart cruise, and hill descent control all come standard. But here's where it gets futuristic: Chevrolet's Adaptive Travel AI. This system scans road, weather, and traffic data in real time to adjust suspension, torque delivery, and even route planning. Combined with Level 3 autonomous driving tech, you can let the vehicle handle long highway stretches while you relax in the lounge or prep your next meal. Safety. It's all there. Adaptive airbags, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, trailer sway control, 360-degree cameras, night vision mode, and even a built-in drone system that can scout ahead when navigating tricky paths. Chevrolet didn't hold back when it came to connectivity either. A 40-inch digital cockpit up front brings together navigation, vehicle vitals, media, and even live streaming options. Rear passengers can control everything from climate to lighting to music using voice or their own tablets. The Motorhome is Alexa and Google Home compatible, and its OTA updates ensure your systems remain current with the latest features. One of the standout features is the Eco Dock mode, which allows the motorhome to self-level, deploy solar wings, and begin charging its batteries automatically when parked, creating a sustainable base camp wherever you stop. Let's not forget the lifestyle touches. There's an outdoor entertainment zone with retractable screens, built-in surround speakers, and even a pop-up barbecue grill system. The rear garage bay can store bikes, scooters, or even a small ATV and has a modular setup that converts into a gym, workshop, or pet care space. Owners can choose from several customization packages like the Urban Explorer Edition with matte black trims and extra tech, or the Wilderness Nomad Edition with off-road upgrades, all-terrain tires, roof racks, and survival storage kits. And for those wondering about price, here's the deal. The base model of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome starts around $210,000, but for those fully loaded with every option and package, you could be looking at closer to $285,000. That may sound steep, but when you consider you're getting a luxury residence, a powertrain with true muscle, cutting-edge technology, and the freedom to go anywhere without sacrificing comfort, it's actually a solid deal in today's premium motorhome market. Chevrolet has done something bold with this release. They've redefined what it means to travel, not just in comfort, but with presence, technology, and confidence. It's a vehicle for families, solo adventurers, business travelers, and dreamers alike. Whether you're crossing the Rockies, exploring the Pacific Coast, or simply enjoying a weekend at your favorite national park, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome makes every journey feel like a 5-star getaway. So, what do you think? Is this the kind of motorhome that changes the game? Let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most. And if you love future vehicles like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another journey with us here at Auto Info Master. Until next time, keep driving forward in style.